Hello everybody and welcome back to my freaking vlog. Today I am out of town and this is going to be day one of my vlog for Dallas. So you guys, I am in Dallas and right now I'm about to go to the store because I forgot to get my toothbrush. But to be honest with you, when I go out of town, I like to go get a little throwaway toothbrush anyways. I'm gonna get me a little toothbrush, toothpaste, and I'm gonna go to the go get some food. I need some food in my system real bad. But before I get this video started, you guys, I want to let you guys know that you can become an Ageless Angel by just go ahead and clicking the subscribe button down below. You can like this video if you like vlog content, and if you like makeup and hair content as well as any type of beauty content, you know I got you on that end. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it so all of your friends can see it as well. So let's
Anybody want a baby, 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 baby?
to my vlog. Today we're going to go get some shoes. Yesterday we went to the mall. We probably end up going to another mall because I am done shopping. But them shoes, like, you just can't just go to one store. And then tonight we have something very special planned. Isn't that right, baby? You don't even know what it is. Talk about some yes, ma'am. Yeah. Why are we out of town right now? Why are we out of town right now? Valentine's Day, his cousin's birthday, and our anniversary. Niggas always forget the anniversary. Well, we'll see you guys in the next clip when we're at the mall. Hey y'all, right now we're about to go ahead and eat, and then we're going to take our flight. So what do you have to say? He's just happy that he's here. What of himself? Never. So we will see you on our flight.
In order here. Alright, I'm gonna have you get in first. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah, just put that piece of
you guys were attempting to check this out or wondering, the name of the restaurant is called Delta Charlie's. You did have to make reservations, especially for weekends where there's holidays, but check it out. It's super fun. Hello, vlog. It's a whole new day, and we're stuck. Nah, for real. Literally the next day. So since we have to stay later than expected, we're just gonna go out and get a few necessities from Walmart because we're cold and we don't want to be snowed in, and then we're not an appropriate car for us to just be riding around in the snow. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get a few things from Walmart, and then we're gonna show you guys what we got when we get back to the house. Yep, so we're stuck, but it's okay because I mean everywhere is pretty much snowing, so it's not really safe to get on the road whether we were out of town or in town. But yeah, what we got from Walmart was basically just some groceries like noodles, pizza, stuff like that. You know, right now I'm cooking some noodles and I'm about to go lay down for the night, but I wanted to come on here and close out the vlog. So if you guys are watching this, this should be the end of the vlog, and this was pretty much my Valentine's Day weekend. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like these type of videos. Subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more content, and don't forget to leave a comment for other videos that you guys want to see in the future. But as of right now, I will talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.